Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save your ChatGPT conversation as a PDF on mobile. So first you can open your ChatGPT app, or you can also open the ChatGPT on your browser. So in this video, I'm going to ChatGPT app first. So let's say this is the conversation I want to save as PDFs. So first I'm gonna click three dots in the top here, in the top right corner, and then click share. And then as you can see in this page, there is share link. You can click it, and then you can copy the link. After that, you can go to your browser. I'm gonna use Chrome here. I will just paste the link here, and then click enter. And then this is the page. So I'm gonna click three dots in the top right corner here, and then there is share option here. You can click it, and then as you can see there is print option here. You can click it, and then there is option to save as PDF. You can choose this one, and then for the setting you can choose whatever you want, and then you can click print here, print button here, then you can just click save. After that you can check again in the folder. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.